Good morning, everybody. Here to dye up another t-shirt for you. It's been soaking in our soda ash, our sodium carbonate, for the last 30 minutes or so. We're gonna twist it up and throw some color on it. Come along for the ride. Bullseye. Beautiful bullseye.
Kind of a little boy.
Oh yeah, beautiful.
Let's take him.
To the diner.
Okay. So, what we're gonna do is a little black hole.
Cosmic.
Yeah.
Ooh. Gotta get my camera right. A little bit of black on the very end.
Yes.
Black tip. Dragon fruit. A little bit of that glacier blue. Great Glacier. Some more better black. So all told on this one, we have better black, glacier blue, lemon yellow, and dragon fruit. Tricolor with better black.
Tail with that blue.
Oh, yeah.
See if we need to flip him a little bit.
Roly roly.
Give him a little roly poly.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Now that I know where my pinks are gonna be, I'll go ahead and add those in. Do a little spot of black right there.
Pinch of black.
And I got my yellers right here. Yeller. Yeller.
Lemon yeller.
And fill the rest in with blue. Oh yeah.
Look at that. To the drying rack. Ooh, I'm sorry. Top shelf, where it will sit for the next 24 hours until we're ready to rinse it on out. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.